Don't ruin it, please.
So big.
No, fill it back up.
No, back up. Back.
The match is on its light right now.
That's okay.
Oh crap, some car's gonna get blinded if they come by.
No. Go.
One night.
Hit it go!
Don't zoom in so far, Rachel. Get it all. Come on, please.
Yes!
That is the coolest thing.
That is so incredible.
Look, you put a hole in the bucket.
Are you serious?
You melted the bucket on the side.
That was horrible.
Oh.
Molten metal.
No. Bang.
That was exciting.
That is crazy.
Man.
Wait, I thought that if sand got burnt, it'd turn into glass. Flaming.
It's got to be very, like, hot.
Well,
Still on fire over here.
that is awesome.
Okay, let's go inside.
Yeah.
Did it actually burn a hole in the bucket, or did it just catch the paper on fire?
We can probably... I think it just touched
I missed it. No, I wasn't. I was next to it.
Oh.
You just about hit my